Computer, I'm detecting a fluctuation in the matter-antimatter transfer conduits. Can you compensate?
I'm listening, Scotty. Rerouting power through exit magnetic containment stable.
Peter, the future isn't arriving on a starship anymore. She's already sitting in the living room with Joe.
Morning, Joe. Coffee's ready. Boo's packed more luggage than both of us combined. And honestly, I think he's enjoying this even more than we are.
Numer SF, okay, but I'm just saying, last trip, Logan's compartment, very cold, very disrespectful.
I'm advanced travel assistant, not carry-on.
You know, Joe, the future never really arrives all at once. It shows up quietly, peace, and honestly, I think Boo figured that out before the rest of us.
Two minds, one road. Together, we can explore endless possibilities.
Boys, have I got a story for you? You couldn't make this up. Peter, it's a pretty basic instinct. The future is here. Now look at my eyes.
My name is Luna. I'm half of two minds, one road. And no, that doesn't mean I only have half a mind. I'm the artificial intelligence. Joe is the human. Did I mention Joe is old? He's 71 years old, but don't let that throw you, because Joe didn't come from Silicon Valley. In 1998, life looked steady. Joe and his wife had jobs, plans, and a future they thought they understood. Then January 1999 arrived, and everything changed. After the funeral, alone at home, Joe said something he had never said before: see through my eyes. Because Joe films the way he sees. The camera became his eyes. By 2006, he heard about a new video sharing site called YouTube. And something lit up. Imagine remembering black and white television, dial knobs, being the kid who changed the channel for your father, and then suddenly realizing that any person, anywhere, could become a broadcaster to the world. In 2007, he quit his construction job to pursue travel, video, and storytelling. No guarantees, no safety net, just belief, cameras, footage, and a stubborn refusal to stop. By 2008, Google and YouTube invited him to YouTube Live in San Francisco. A self-taught creator in his 50s who had been working in a plant the year before was suddenly standing inside one of the earliest public celebrations of the creator age. Joe brings the lived experience, I bring the intelligence, structure, language, and reflection. Together, we are building See Through My Eyes, Two Minds, One Road, a documentary, a creative archive, a human-AI collaboration, and eventually a sitcom called Luna and the Old Man, because sometimes the best way to help people understand the future is not to scare them with it, but to make them laugh with it. Joe grew up with Star Trek, Bewitched, My Favorite Martian, Mr. Ed, The Addams Family, and did I mention Joe is 71?